Imagine living longer and feeling better every day, without complicated diets or exhausting workouts. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Studies show that simple lifestyle changes can add years to your life. In fact, research from Harvard shows that just 5 key habits can increase your life expectancy by up to 14 years. Now, here's something shocking. Did you know that 80% of chronic diseases are preventable with the right lifestyle? That's right. Conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even some cancers can be avoided. The secret is in making small, daily choices that add up over time. In this video, we're going to explore easy and practical strategies for living a longer, healthier life. From morning habits that boost energy to simple ways to reduce stress and improve sleep, these tips can transform your life. Whether you're looking for more energy, less stress, or better health, we've got you covered. Stay tuned, because the best part is that all of this is easier than you think. Ready to change your life? Let's dive in. Chapter 1, Mindful Mornings. Kickstart your day with energy. Your morning sets the tone for the entire day. If you start it right, you're more likely to make healthy choices throughout the day. It's about creating rituals that get you moving without feeling rushed. Did you know that 65% of successful people wake up before 6 a.m.? This is no coincidence. Waking up early allows you to have time for yourself, making your day less stressful. One great morning habit is drinking water as soon as you wake up. This simple act hydrates your body after hours of sleep. It's like hitting the reset button for your metabolism. Another great idea? Spend 5 minutes stretching or doing light yoga. It can improve circulation and reduce stress. Research shows that just 10 minutes of morning stretching can reduce anxiety by up to 25%. But here's the kicker: don't check your phone immediately. Studies show that starting your day by scrolling through social media or emails can boost stress levels. Instead, take a few minutes to sit in silence, meditate, or practice gratitude. Even 5 minutes of quiet reflection can improve your mood and help you stay calm throughout the day. Chapter 2, The Power of Micro Habits. Small changes, big impacts. Sometimes, the secret to a healthy life is not about making huge changes but small, sustainable ones. Micro habits are tiny actions that don't overwhelm you but add up over time. For example, start by adding 1 extra vegetable to your meal each day. Over time, this simple habit can improve your health in ways you might not expect. Incorporating a 5-minute walk after meals is another easy micro habit. Research from the American Journal of Physiology shows that walking for just 5 minutes can improve digestion and help lower blood sugar. Micro habits are like compound interest for your health, small, daily actions that bring big rewards over time. Here's something else to consider: people who track their habits are 40% more likely to stick with them. So, grab a notebook or an app to track your daily habits. Start small, and before you know it, these habits will be second nature. Chapter 3, The Magic of Movement. Fun workouts for busy lives. We all know exercise is important, but let's face it, not everyone has the time or motivation for a 1-hour gym session. But here's the good news: you don't have to be in the gym to get moving. In fact, doing something you enjoy can be the best kind of workout. Dancing is one of the most fun ways to stay active. Studies show that dancing for just 20 minutes can boost your mood and release feel-good hormones. Don't worry about perfection, it's about moving your body and having fun. Even walking for just 10 minutes can elevate your mood, improve your cardiovascular health, and reduce stress. For those with tight schedules, quick 10-minute home workouts can make a big difference. In fact, a Harvard Health study found that just 10 minutes of high-intensity exercise is enough to improve heart health. It's all about consistency, not the length of time. Try quick bursts of movement throughout the day: dance, walk, or stretch. Every bit adds up. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more life-changing tips that'll help you live healthier and longer. Chapter 4, Food for Life. Eating for health without sacrificing flavor. Eating healthy doesn't have to be bland. In fact, food can be both delicious and nutritious. Ever heard of the Mediterranean diet? It's a great example of a diet that's both healthy and full of flavor. The Mediterranean diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil, all of which are linked to longer life expectancy. One food you might not have heard much about but should add to your diet is fermented foods. Foods like kimchi, yogurt, and sauerkraut are full of probiotics, which promote good gut health. Did you know that a healthy gut can improve your mood and immunity? Fermented foods have also been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases. Superfoods are another way to make your meals both tasty and healthy. Blueberries, chia seeds, and turmeric are packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. You don't need a lot, just sprinkle them on your meals for an extra boost. Eating a colorful variety of foods not only makes your plate look appealing but ensures you're getting a range of essential nutrients. Chapter 5, Restorative Sleep. Unlock the secret to better recovery. Sleep is one of the most underrated health habits. The truth is, without enough quality sleep, everything else suffers. Studies show that people who get less than 7 hours of sleep per night are more likely to develop chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. But there's good news: improving your sleep doesn't require drastic changes. Start with your sleep environment. Did you know that keeping your bedroom cool, between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, can improve sleep quality? A study from the National Sleep Foundation found that a cooler room helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Also, avoid screen time at least 30 minutes before bed. The blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, which can interfere with sleep. Instead, try reading a book or listening to calming music to help you wind down. And if you struggle to fall asleep, deep breathing exercises can help calm your nervous system and promote relaxation. Chapter 6, The Joy of Saying No. Prioritize your well-being. In our busy lives, we often say yes to too many things, leaving little time for ourselves. But the power of saying no is life-changing. Saying no doesn't make you selfish, it makes you healthier. Stress is one of the leading causes of chronic illness, and overcommitting can lead to burnout. Start by evaluating your commitments. If something doesn't bring you joy or align with your values, it's okay to say no. Studies show that people who have strong boundaries and know how to say no are less likely to experience burnout and stress. Learning to say no also helps you prioritize self-care. Instead of saying yes to every invitation or request, save time for activities that recharge your energy, like spending time with loved ones, practicing hobbies, or just relaxing. Setting clear boundaries is not only good for your mental health but your physical health as well. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, stress-free life. These changes can truly help you lead a longer, happier life.